the output y when all the three inputs A, B, C are first low. Low means first all the three inputs are 0 and then high. High means then they are kept at one level, will be respectively. So here you are given simple logic circuit. Let us identify the different logic gate. This first logic gate, it is NAND gate because bubble is at the output of AND gate. So it will represent NAND gate, and we know that A and B are the inputs of NAND gate. Then what is the output of NAND gate? It is a logical ANDing of input whole complement, that is A dot B whole complement. Second gate here, it is inverter, or you may call it as a NOT gate. Input of NOT gate is C, so naturally its output is what? C bar. Now the third gate here, it is a logic gate called as OR gate, and the output of OR gate will be logical ORing. Logical ORing means plus sign. So logical ORing of its two input. First input is A dot B whole complement, while the second input is complement of C. Second input is what? Complement of C. Now in the question it was given that initially A, B and C, all these three inputs, they are at logic 0 level. So what is the corresponding output? When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0, then output Y here as per equation 0 into 0 complement plus of complement of 0 is equal to, now 0 into 0 is 0 and its complement is 1, plus complement of 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 it is 1, 1 plus 1 is what? 1. Later on it was given in the example that all the three input A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is also equal to 1. Then what is the corresponding output Y? As per this equation, 1 into 1 whole complement plus of complement of 1. What is 1 into 1 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0 plus complement of 1 is 0. So it is equal to 0, means the initial output is 1 and later on it becomes 0. So out of 4 options, option B is correct option. When all the three inputs are 0, corresponding output is 1. When all the three inputs are made high, then the corresponding output is what? 0.